video, I'm going to talk about the second example of finding the center coordinate of the circle and as well as the radius using this circle equation right over here. And I want to talk about it a little bit more that we learned it last time that x value and y value should be the opposite of the negative sign or positive sign, and the number, which is right now positive 12, so the x value we're gonna be negative sign, and for the y value it is negative 9 right over here, so it will gonna be equal to positive. So if we simplify more, I'll write this equation down. X plus 12 squared plus y minus 9 squared is equal to 35. We have talked about this last video that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, which is radius squared. So we need to take square root of each term in order to find, in order to isolate the monomial, in order to solve for coordinate radius. So if you do that using this guess equation, it is equal to, if you take square root of it, it will gonna be equal to x plus 12. The square root gonna cancel out, plus y minus 9 is equal to square root of 35. Let's see. A square root of 35 is equal to, if you make a factor survey right over here, I'll write it down here. 35 to 5, 7. So we're just gonna be equal to square root of 35 because there are no more factors that we can factor. And so we're gonna be negative square root of 35. And as we have told the last time in the up step, the x should be the negative 12, which is the opposite of the positive 12. And it is kind of a quadratic equation that the it is equal to 0, but it is different with it because it's square root of 35. And the x term, we're gonna be equal to negative 12. And for the y, it is negative 9, so it should be the positive 9. We talked about this in the last video of the introduction of the center coordinate and the radius of the circle. And this will gonna be, if we add it together, it will gonna be equal to, it will gonna be equal to radius, we're gonna be equal to square root of 35. We can simplify this term more. So if we, so in conclusion, the coordinate of the center coordinate is equal to the x coordinate, negative 12, and for the y coordinate is 9, and for the radius is equal to square root of 35. We have finished finding the radius and the center coordinate of this circle using this circle equation right over here. And we finally got the answer that the center coordinate is equal to negative 12 for the x coordinate and the 9 for the y coordinate, and is the radius equal to negative 35. And we're done.